Denver, the mile-high city. Red rocks, craft beer, and 300 days of sunshine. If you're thinking of changing your area code to 303, join me on this tour of 5 great Denver neighborhoods. Denver's got a little bit of everything. Historic charm, mountain backdrops, and modern city life, all packed into regions with their own distinct vibe. Let's start our tour with Capitol Hill. Locals call it Cap Hill, and it's one of Denver's most vibrant, walkable neighborhoods. You'll find grand old mansions, classic brick apartments, and new condos all on the same street. It's right by Civic Center Park and the state capitol, so you're steps away from museums, cafes, and music venues. Grant Street and Pennsylvania Street show off the neighborhood's historic side, with stately homes and stoops that tell Denver's story. If you like living where something's always happening, Cap Hill's your spot. Cherry Creek. Cherry Creek is, in short, fancy. It's known for upscale shopping, great restaurants, and fabulous day spas. Cherry Creek will also awaken your inner art lover. Not only is it chock full of galleries, but every July Denver residents flock to the Cherry Creek Art Festival, where the streets are filled with works by 250 hand-selected local artists. And if you need a break from a grueling afternoon of art, massages, and shopping sprees, you can easily escape into nature via the stunning Cherry Creek Trail. Park Hill. Park Hill, tree-lined streets, brick tutors, and a real sense of community. There's leisurely strolling and bike riding along the sidewalks, people chatting on porches, and local shops along Kearney and 23rd. Spinelli's Market is a neighborhood staple, and City Park is just a few blocks away for skyline views and weekend picnics. It's not the nightlife capital of Denver, but that's part of the appeal. It's homey, quiet, and very easy to settle into. RiNo and 5 Points. RiNo and 5 Points are where Denver's art, music, and food scenes come together in perfect harmony to create a truly effortlessly cool spot. What used to be warehouses are now galleries, breweries, and lofts covered in murals. In fact, in just one afternoon of wandering RiNo's streets, you can view over 100 jaw-dropping murals by local artists. This area is lively, urban, and social. There's always something happening. While it's grown fast and the prices have followed, the energy here is unmatched. It's Denver's cool kid, and it knows it. Sloan Lake. Sloan Lake, sometimes called Sloan's Lake, is where you'll find Denver at its most laid back. Centered around its namesake lake, it's perfect for walks, paddleboarding, or catching a sunset over the skyline. The neighborhood has a mix of older homes and sleek new builds, especially around West 27th and 28th Avenues. Along Tennyson and Utica, you'll find cozy coffee spots and breweries with patios full of locals. It's peaceful but still connected, close to downtown but with plenty of room to breathe. However, there's been a lot of new development lately, so expect a few construction zones mixed within the charm. So whether you're after lakeside serenity, historic charm, or a modern mural mecca, Denver has a neighborhood that fits your ideal version of home. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below for even more dreamy Denver destinations.